Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with AVON, and we are going to do a very quick morning makeup routine. So I've already gone in this morning and done my morning skincare. Of course, we're fighting the battle of anti-aging. So I'm using my new dual elixir, which has oil and cream in it, as a treatment, and my Skin Invincible Day Cream to help combat those wrinkles, and depuffing eye serum because, ooh, girl, you got some bags. We need to get rid of them bags. I've already gone in and primed my face with my Magix primer, with my ink lasting primer to help set the face so that my makeup will last all day. And I hear you. How do you put all of those layers of skincare on, Jennifer? How do you do all the layers? It's pretty simple. I do a layer and then I put something on, and then I do another layer and then I'll get dressed. And so I do it in layers and let it dry so that the skincare can work on each layer of your skin. There's a little tip. So since we've already primed, we're going to go in now with our Magix one in the shade Marshmallow, and going to do a small triangle under the eye. So to reflect the light away from these bags that I have been carrying for way too long. And then I just did a little on my nose and a little on my chin because those areas seem to be red lately. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, have a good day at work. Don't work too hard. Okay, so I'm using my ring finger and I'm gently just patting and blending that in. Ring finger is really your best weapon whenever you're applying makeup. If you don't have all the brushes, so often, even with eyeshadow, your ring finger can do so much good. It's like your best friend. Okay, so we are going to brush down these brows. I just got them waxed and they look much better, thankfully. So I'm going to use ink lasting foundation in the shade Porcelain, and it's a cushion. So you have these little ruby cell puffs, and then you just pop it in, whoop, pick up some makeup, and bam, 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 bam. I'm not really pushing hard. I'm just lightly pushing. And then you just begin to blend it in with your face. Well, if I don't lose my pad, which I did today, it happens, right? There is no one perfect at makeup in this world. Okay, maybe like a Jeffree Star. Maybe there's a few. But this is not your perfect girl. This is your mom in a pinch in the morning getting ready. Just sharing some of my beauty tricks. Okay. And I'm always quick to be sure and blend on the neck because you don't want those pesky makeup lines. And the cool thing about that I've noticed about this ink lasting cushion foundation is it tends to not really have lines. It kind of naturally has a blending power, which is awesome. But I still want to make sure. Okay, I think we're on. I think we're good. Okay. So I'm going to go in now with a dark brown eye pencil, and I'm just going to enhance these brows a little bit. You can tell that I have some sparsity. That is from running under a seesaw, teeter-totter, I don't know what they call them these days, when I was like 8 years old. And that was not a good experience. I got a few stitches out of it. Like another kid was on it and I ran under it. That's okay. Because we have eyebrow pencils. And see, I just kind of filled it in. So tell me, which side do you like better? Do you like the filled in side or do you like the more bare side? Let's see here. Let's do them both. And then you can see the difference. You know, it's so crazy. Just doing your brows Even if you didn't do anything but just brows, maybe mascara and blush, it really frames your face for the day and makes such a statement. So you can tell, I mean, they're not super dark, but they're matching. They're working. Okay, I'm going to go in now with some translucent loose powder on my powder brush. And I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. Just to try to give that matte look. I especially like to do it underneath my eyes because it also gives a little bit of a lighter look. There we go. What do you think? Are you with me? Okay. So today we are going to use, which one? Send Roses or Monopop? Let's do Monopop today. I think with my top, it'll be cute. This one has this is the brown, the Mood Brown palette. Has so many great neutral colors. Will really go with any eye color. Would really go with any eye shape. And that's the cool thing about this palette, is it really is versatile. So I'm using this little bit here and this little bit here. And I'm just going over right underneath the arch of my eye. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with a crease brush. You can tell it's kind of pointed at the end. And I'm going to pick up this darker color. And I'm just going to work that crease. What? Yes, girl. My clock keeps telling me you're running late. That's okay. We will get there when we get there, right? It's kind of my mood today. I'm like, we're coming. We will be there. Okay, I went in now and just picked up a little bit of that darker brown. I'm just working it right here in the corner. This one right here is the one I picked up. Just gonna work a little bit right here. Right here. Okay. I worked the crease and now we're gonna blend. So for our blending color, let's pick up this one down here. This is pretty. We're gonna blend, blend, blend. Oh yes, girl. I like that. What do y'all think? Thoughts? It's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so we're doing it on this side. I'm going to show you the difference. And now we're just going to blend, blend, blend. I'm really pulling that all the way in. And I'm pulling it up just a little bit too over that crease line. The cool thing about eyeshadow is it's kind of just like art, right? You're just kind of moving it around to get the desired effect. You're not really, I mean, there's no like exact science to it. So you just do it until you feel like that you have the color pulled from your, from your eyeshadow that you want. Another cool trick is, good morning, Sandra. You can actually take this, kind of this little bit of a sparkle. You can bring it down a little bit on the inner eye. There we go. There we go. I like it. Okay. Now we're going to use our SuperExtend liquid liner. I can tell I'm getting low on it because I'm having to push just a little bit harder to get the color out. But this thing has really lasted for a long time. I mean, to be wearing it every day, it's really lasted a long time. And it goes on, you guys, so easily. soon as I say that, it becomes more difficult. Okay, we've got the eyes lined. Thank you guys for joining this morning. We used the Mono Pop eye palette in the Mood Brown on the eyes. What do you think? Give me some hearts if you're loving it. We just kind of used a variety of different colors. I think it turned out nicely. Okay, let's curl these lashes because we want to have them pointing up, and for some reason, thinking because of my thyroid, you know, mama issues, we got thyroid issues, I think it's pointing, they point down. So I'm going to use my Love Mascara, and we're going to go down, and then pull them puppies back up. Am I the only one that makes funny faces whenever I do my mascara? I'm like, ooh. I don't know if that really helps. Does that really help it go on better? It makes me feel better. So if it makes us feel better, then we should do it, right? Sometimes. Not always, but sometimes. All right. That mascara is on point this morning. So a quick little tip for you guys. If your mascara is older than 6 months, it's time to throw it out. There's a couple of rules of thumb. Mascara is something that needs to be replenished every 6 months. Eyeshadow every year. Eyeliner really about every 6 months to a year. Because bacteria builds up in some of that stuff, and you don't want that to be, you know, putting it back into your eyes. So, I mean, go through your makeup, especially it's the first of the year. It's a good time to do this. I'm going to use my Earth and Rose blush. Whoop. I'm just going to pull up a little color on my cheeks. I feel like I kind of went a little extra on my eyes, so I'm not going to put on a whole bunch of blush. But, you know, things like foundation usually lasts about a year, skincare a year. Mascara 6 months, eyeshadow 6 months to a year. It just kind of depends. Concealer about a year. So go through your makeup counter and check out what you need to go ahead and replace, because you don't want to be using old stuff and putting it back like in your eye area. It's not good. You don't want like an eye infection. It's not fun. And do not share your mascara. I had a customer tell me the other day, oh, my daughters and I all share mascara. No, do not share your mascara. Then you share eye germs. Yuck. No, don't do that. It's like $8. Love Mascara is like $8. Order one for you, one for your daughter, and one for your niece, and one for anybody that comes to your house and tries to use your mascara. Don't share it. Yuck. Okay. Red London. We're going to use the Velvet Tip Lipstick this morning. I love this stuff. So, it goes on like a crayon. It's really super soft. That is red. Red. It's okay. Who cares? It's my day. I can make it happen. If I'm going to be fierce today and I'm going to make my goals happen, then maybe I need a red lipstick to do it. So do what makes you feel good, makes you feel pretty, and don't put limits on yourself. So, okay. Powder. Powder is 2 years, FYI. Powder is 2 years. I'm going to go back in with just a little bit of highlighter and finish this look off for you guys this morning. And I'll post the graphic up here on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz so that you guys can see when things need to be thrown out, so that you can replace it. If you want to shop for these looks, you can do that on your avon.com/jwoolsey. Thank you for watching today. Please share this video. Press the little share button. Like Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz so that you'll get notifications whenever I pop up. And if you're watching on YouTube, click the little bell. It'll ding whenever we go miss any quick makeup tutorials. So thank you guys so much for joining me this morning. I appreciate you. Share this video. Share it. Somebody may need some tips. You guys have a great day. If you want to shop for these products, I'll put the link on the comments. It's your avon.com/jwoolsey, and you can pick up your own Mono Pop eyeshadow palette. You need this in your life. Have a great day. Bye, guys.